Okay, so now let's look at this example. So now this says the rate at which people enter a water park in hundreds of people per hour is given by W of t, where t is measured in hours. What is the meaning of W prime of 3 is equal to 2.6? And I want to include units. Okay, so it says the rate at which people enter a water park, and now it's telling me the units for that. Hundreds of people per hour is given by this function here, where t is measured in hours. Okay. And so I want to know what this thing means. Alright, so let's write this down. W prime of 3 is equal to 2.6. Okay, and I'm going to do the same idea that I did before, because remember, alright, that the derivative at 3 is equal to the slope. No. Sorry, I jumped the gun here. Slope of the tangent line at t equals 3, which is equal to 2.6. And then I'm going to go over 1. Okay, because this helps me see that this is the units for my top part is hundreds of people per hour. And then in the denominator here, I have hour or hours as my units. Okay. And so why was I saying that for the numerator, hundreds of people per hour as my units? Well, it told me that my units for my output values is in hundreds of people per hour, right? And for this part, like the denominator part, my input, it told me that that was measured in hours, okay? And so that's why I have 2.6 hundreds of people per hour and then per hour. Okay. So now, if I want to know how to interpret this, so then it says at t equals 3 hours, the rate at which people enter a water park is increasing at a rate of 2.6 hundreds of people per hour.